Hey friends, do you encounter the issue where ARK Survival Ascended keeps on crashing? If yes, then I have the resolution for you, and this has been confirmed on their official Steam community website. So, this user Starborn mentioned that he was using a 4000 series RTX graphics card, and all he did was he disabled the frame generation in the RTX settings. That is it, and a lot of users confirmed that this has worked. However, in the case of another user who was maybe not using the same series of graphics card, the solution was to roll back the drivers. So to roll back the drivers, press Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command dev mgmt.msc and hit enter to open the device manager window, or simply search for it in the Windows search bar and you'll get here. Expand the list of display drivers. We have the usual one and we have the NVIDIA one. So right click on the NVIDIA driver and select properties. Now go to the driver tab and click on rollback driver if the option is available to you. Roll back to the previous version and click on OK, and that should fix the problem. If this doesn't fix the problem, then you can try updating the driver, or else you can check for issues related to power allocation. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.